Hi friends, this is Monish from Technical Monish, and I'll be starting the coding classes from this video, and by 20 videos you can create your own website using the HTML, and you can make the website with your own URL also. So for starting the coding, first you need to download some free softwares from Google. First software which you need to download is Visual Studio Code. In this program, we will be typing the code and we will be testing the code here. You can view this URL here. I'll keep the links in the description as well as in the comments. You can download this software and you can start coding. This is free for Windows. And second thing which you need is search Google for web server for Chrome. It is normally an extension. Once if you download the extension, it automatically downloads an offline software also. I have already downloaded it. I'll be keeping the link also in the description for web server. You can download it. After once you download these two softwares, we can search that Visual Studio Code and you can see a blank window opens here. Here we can start new file, and second is open web server for Chrome, and web server for Chrome is used to test the website. So once we are done, first you can create a folder HTML. Here you can create a new folder called Technical Monish Class 1. The folder is now empty. Once we make the folder, we should open the folder from the Visual Studio Code. TM class 1 select folder. As it is empty folder, we can see no files here. This is the interface of Visual Studio Code, and here you can see a plus file, new file. Click on new file and name it as index.html. Index.html is a must and should file for creating our own website using HTML. Here you can automatically see index.html has been created in the TM class 1. The first tag we should use is doc type, and this is a optional tag. If we do not type this code also, the code will work, but just for the training purpose we are using it. For writing any tag, we should use the less than symbol and we should type doc type. Automatically it suggests and it automatically creates the tag. And second one is the HTML tag, which is a must and should tag. In this HTML tag only we have the two parts named head and body. We can give as many enters we want, and in it first part is the header part which will be above here. So for it we should use HEAD. Inside the head tag we should use a new tag called title. In title we can type our title of the website. As this is the trail website, we can type as class 1 website. After this head ends, we should start a new tag called body. Body consists of many tags, and as this is our first class, we will start with the header tag, which is h1, h2, h3, h4 and h5. h1, h2, h3, h4 and h5. The h1, whatever we type in the h1, it will be in a larger size, and if we increase the number, the size of the letter becomes small. This is a test website. So let's copy this statement in all headers, and we have to save this. Now in the web server we should choose the folder. It is TM class 1, so we should select it, and we should use our browser, and we can test this. So this is the website we have created. This is called as the head part, which is title. If you want to make this title inside in between center, we can code that before title CENTER center, and other center should be after the ending of title tag, and we should save this. And once if we refresh here, the title has come in between. So this is the test of h1, h2, h3, h4, h5. As you can see, as the number increases, the size of the font decreases. And in the upcoming videos, we'll be seeing how to link one page with other page, and let's see how to add images and how to create the own URL.